Respected guests, parents, esteemed teachers, my dear fellow students, today I stand before you to pay tribute to the vessel of Karnataka, the unsung heroes who fought tirelessly for our nation's independence. While the names of many national leaders may be familiar, the contribution of Karnataka freedom fighter often remain hidden in the pages of history. From the towering figure of Kithurai Chennamma, who valiantly resisted British rule, to intellectual prowess of Saryam Vishwesvaraya was played a pivotal role in India's industrial development. Karnataka had witnessed the rise of many extraordinary individuals. Sangolli Rayan, the legendary warrior, inspired generation with his courage and defense. Kempegowda, the visionary founder of Bangalore, laid the foundation for a city that would later become the IT capital of India. These heroes and many others remind us that freedom was not a gift but a hard-earned struggle. Their sacrifice, their comfort, their family, and their lives a better future for generations to come. Let us remember their sacrifice and strive to uphold the values they cherished: courage, integrity, and selfless service to the nations. Let us strive to build a Karnataka that they would be proud of, state that is prosperous, just and inclusive. Thank you.